Pero in every moment, nakasama sila. And that was almost every time nakasama sila. Handa na siya. And I have seen with amazement how mature you are and for your age. Ako po, nagtuhan tayo, nakikita ko yung mga bala mo. Something that I did not do at your age. Yung, alam mo na, yung gagawin mo, ano yung responsibilities mo. Alam mo na yung plano mo for you and your family. So, parang ready to step up na, tinanong kita, paano ang gagawin mo ito? Yung pala, na-compute mo na in your mind. Dito man. Sa sweldo ko, sa pagkita namin. Kaya ko, itagawin yung pagkakama ko. Even in pain, you did that. I was, in my 40s when your lolo died, and I went through the same mental process. How will I support the extended family? You dictated the tender age of 20. Hindi mo ginawa yun dahil sa sitwasyon na nangyari. Hindi ginagawa mo yun dahil hinandaan na ng papa mo. Si Maybell, yung nakita ko in the last 4 or 5 days, yung spirit ng tatay niya nasa kanya. Yung uniqueness ni Ed na fighter, yung free-spirited person nasa kanya. Sabi niya sa akin, ito man, nakapusin ko yung kurso. Magka-third year pa lang. Kasi kung si Papa natapos niya, napag-aral niya yung sarili niya, ako din kaya ko. Despite the assurances coming from me and my brothers that you will finish, you will accomplish your dreams, despite assurances that you may have lost your father, but the love of your father will always be there through your outcomes. I saw her independence, her strong will, free spirit. So I'm confident that the three of you will live the life that God wanted for you. To the rest of my family, Ed's family, we will miss him. But his passing reminds us how short life is on earth and how we should nurture our kinship, yung pagiging magkamag-anak natin. After December, nang umuwi si Nene at si Bob, nagkaroon ng period na hindi tayo nakikita. Nagkasawaan kasi araw-araw kasama for 1 month. Pero si Ed, anytime na tawagin ko yan, Ed, may tayo ng basketball dito. Ed, ihaw-ihaw pa. Nandyan yan, darating yan. So, yung message niya sa atin is to continue that bond, strengthen that bond. His passing forced the 6 remaining siblings to talk and examine ano yung pwede natin gawin para sa nawala natin kapatid sa pamilya niya. And it forced us to go back to the strong foundations of our relationship. So, yun. Salamat, kapatid Ed. Kagabi nagsasabi tayo mga kapatid ko. 2 dimensions pala sa pamilya namin. Ako yung seryoso tayo. The pusher, I pushed everything towards yung aking mundo, which was for all of you to be financially independent, to be excellent in what you did, what you're doing, to love your families. The other dimension kasi kayong buhay ng pamilya, the life of the party. Sa yung tinatakbuhan nila pag gusto nila maging masaya. Ako yung pastonero, siya yung life of the party. And because of that, sabi ni Joker, you made me whole. The family was made whole because of those two dimensions. Serious part. A family of 6 boys and 1 girl, always in search of excellence, but having fun on the other side. Parati kong mantra sa corporate world. Work hard, but have fun while working. This family had that because of it, diversity. So, yan ang memory. And somebody will have to pick that up. Yung part kasi hindi naman ako magbabago. Masulit na